All right, this example asks us to find the volume of a pyramid. So first we make sure we know what the formula is. So volume is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. So we're going to go ahead and figure out the area of the base and the height, and then we will use our volume formula. So the area of the base, remember we want to identify the base, so it's going to be this rectangle down here. This is a rectangular pyramid, and the area of that base is 12 times 6, base times height. Which gives us 72. Now the height is the height of the pyramid, which is going to go from the center of the base up to the vertex, up to the top. We can see that that's a 14. So what you want to be careful about is, your base has this rectangle, there's a base and a height, so the base is 12 and the height is 6. But when we're using our volume formula, this capital B means the area of the base and the H means the height of the pyramid. So just be careful because some of these words are used multiple times. Alright, so volume is equal to 1/3 times the area of our base, which is 72, times our height, which is 14. Alright, we can go ahead and multiply. If you make that a 72 over 1, the 1/3 times 72. That is the same thing as 72 divided by 3, so we get a 24, carry down the times 14. And 24 times 14 gives us 336 units cubed because it's a volume measurement. Alright, so here we have another pyramid. This is a triangular pyramid. Our base, we can see down here, is the shape of a triangle. So the volume formula is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. And then the area of the base, well, if I were to redraw the base, I'm just going to rotate it a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see this is where the 6 is, this is where the 8 is. So the area of the base, that's a triangle, 1/2 times base times height. The base is 6 and the height is 8. So 1/2 times 6 times 8 gives us 24. Alright, then we have the height of our pyramid. So from the center of the base up to the vertex at the top, we can see that's a 10. So we go back to our formula. Volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base, which is 24, times our height, which is 10. So when you're doing this multiplying, you've got 3 numbers you're multiplying. It really doesn't matter which one you multiply first. What I would try to figure out is when you multiply by 1/3, this is the same thing as dividing by 3. So which number will divide by 3? And I would say, oh yeah, 24 divides by 3. So let's multiply those together first. So 1/3 times 24 is the same thing as 24 divided by 3, and that gives us 8. Carry down the 10, and now we're getting our volume is equal to 80 units cubed for volume.